I'm a messy Virgo. I have no idea who they both are because I don't know how to take care of my things. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another spooky little video. Today we're going to be doing a Loungefly unboxing slash review of a spooky Halloween Snoopy bag. I don't even know what the official title is. I got this on the Loungefly website a couple of weeks ago. I made a huge order. I have not even shown you barely anything from this order because it's a lot. I have to bring these bags over here. Right now they're in the Bronx. Before I show you the bag that I'm talking about, my name is Janie. I do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, Hot Topic. Anything that I think is cute is going to go up on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling because that definitely helps me out and I really appreciate hearing from you. Now that we got that out of the way, here is my beautiful new bag. I have been using him already. Super practical. Like these mini Loungefly bags, I like to carry a lot of things, and as I've gotten older, that's gotten worse. When I was in my early 20s, I could just get the tiniest little bag and not care, like a little tiny crossbody. Now I do prefer a little bit more of a bigger bag. But these mini Loungefly bags are enough for me, and that's what I wanted to combine with this video. I wanted to show you what I keep inside here on a day where I'm running errands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that because I just missed that. Back in the day, I don't know how long you've been on YouTube. Back in the day, there used to be what's in my bag videos, and they used to do so well, and they're so much fun to watch. So that's what's happening today, except it's not going to be aesthetically pleasing. Whatever's in this bag, I'm a messy Virgo. So that's all you need to know about this video. When I show you what's on the inside, it's not going to be like all my Amazon finds and everything all neat and stuff. That's not it. So let's look at the front of the bag. It says Peanuts Loungefly. There's a full moon with some bats, some yellow stars. Snoopy is sitting down on a big jack-o'-lantern, and this bag does glow in the dark. I forgot what features exactly other than the stars glow, but it does glow in the dark, which I definitely like. And then if you look at the zipper detailing right by the jack-o'-lantern, Woodstock is on a broom and they're wearing a little witch hat and a cape, which I think is so cute. And then we have some pumpkins, some grass. Oh, I said that funny, pumpkins. We have some pumpkins, some grass. We have some side pockets here. Sometimes I keep lotion in there, but right now they are empty, and it goes along the back. Then there's like the gold trim on the handles and on the top of the bag, and then there's an outline of Charlie Brown, and I don't know who that is, sitting down facing the sky. I honestly never really watched the show Charlie Brown. I've seen some clips here and there. Snoopy's just my favorite character because I think it's really cute, and this bag was heavily clearanced, so I got that. I have no idea who they both are, or other than Charlie Brown, so if you know, let me know because I've never actually watched the show. On the bottom it's all orange, and then on the inside I kind of like it because you get a little bit of Snoopy in a jack-o'-lantern with Woodstock on top of its head, and again the full moon with the black bats, and there's a little sign that says boo. And then Woodstock is also flying on his broom again, which I think is nice. In the smaller pocket compartment, it also has that same like lining. So I think it's really cute. I think this bag is perfect. I think this bag is just beautiful and cute, and like I said, it was on clearance, so I wanted to say I got it for less than $40. I don't want to show you the full price breakdown because I did pick up a bunch of other things that I will be doing separate videos for. But this is super cute, and now that I've shown you this little mini backpack from Loungefly, I want to show you how much I could actually carry in this bag. And the first thing is something I'm not super okay with. It's a plastic water bottle. I usually have a hydro flask, but I can't fit a hydro flask in here. If I did, honestly, I think I would be messing with the integrity of the bag, and I don't want to like make it stretch out or anything like that. So I do have a plastic water bottle. I know I feel so guilty. I really try my best to cut single-use plastic bottle usage, or plastic, anything for that matter. But a normal size water bottle can't fit here. It's just my hydro flask is gigantic. I also have my glasses case because I've been trying to be really good about putting my glasses away properly instead of just chucking them in my tote bag, in my bag, and anything, because I don't want them to break because they were expensive, and every 2 years I get really expensive glasses because I don't know how to take care of my things. They're very dirty, but here they are. They're still intact. I have a pink scrunchie because it's a little hot for me and I overheat really fast. I have my ugly wallet. Like I said, not aesthetically pleasing. This is a wallet from Target, from their, what is it? Their once a day brand. I saw the, A New Day. It's from A New Day. This was like $5. but it's old, but it works, so I just don't want to toss it yet. You know, if it still works, it works. I have my Amazon Kindle. This is the kids Kindle. Oh, it's backwards. This is the kids Kindle. I think I did a reel about this. It's a very great price. I do love the Paperwhite, but this is super good price for what it is when it's on sale, and it comes with a beautiful case. I love the whale, and it's perfect for on the go because I don't really need a big ass Kindle. I did want one. I wanted one with special features, but at the end of the day, this works just fine. And honestly, I'm not really reading that much because of school. I have a charger for my watch because lately I haven't been connecting it properly, and I think it's charging overnight, and then I put it on and go to work and it's dead. Now I've been carrying it with me. So I have this pouch. This is pretty heavily full of random things, which I'm going to show you, but that goes to show how much room there really is in here that I'm able to put all those things there, including this. Now this is dirty. I don't know, like, see, this only goes from outside to inside my bag, and yet it gets so dirty so quickly. So I'm going to try to wash it because I really don't feel like I should get another pouch simply because the cats are dirty. But what I keep in here, hand lotion, because I hate washing my hands and then I don't have anything to, you know, whatever. Sunscreen. I haven't been using this because I forgot it was here. This is the e.l.f. 30 SPF sunscreen. I love this so much. This is so good, but I ended up purchasing a different one. I forgot why, but I love this stuff. I just have to toss it because I don't have any more. I have a lip gloss from Florence Mills. There's barely anything left. I have some cuticle oil because I'm trying to grow out my nails. I just took my acrylics off for my birthday and my nails need some help, guys. I have some lactose pills. Lactate pills is what they're called because I'm lactose intolerant. And even though I have been cutting out dairy, sometimes I still have it and I don't have any issues. I have floss because I'm trying to be a flossing girl. And then I have my business cards with a sticker from one of my favorite Etsy shops or something like that, small creators. Everything in this pouch, which is going to go back in here because I'm going to be running errands. So that's when I use this bag, is when I'm running errands. Like if I have to go to Target, if I have to go to the library, if I have to go to Hot Topic and pick up something else, which is what I did yesterday. I picked up another Loungefly book bag that you've probably already seen at this point. I will carry this bag because it's just super practical. Loungefly bags are really practical. Like I said, I think they're a little bit pricey for the material that they're using. I don't think they always hold up well. I mean, unless you're super duper careful. But if I'm using a bag almost every day, or at least every time that I'm running errands, I do feel like the wear and tear is very obvious, and for the price I think it's a lot, but everything's been increasing in price because of the recession and everything that's happening in this economy. So it's kind of like, who can you really blame here? I still really love Loungefly bags. I took a huge break from buying them due to spacing issues, and financially it just didn't seem like a good decision to have so many bags, especially if I'm not able to properly display them in a way that suits them, because I have I'm an addict, guys. Like these ceilings are slanted, so there's just really not enough room for me right now. I'm hoping to move in May if I can financially make that happen. I don't know in this economy, but we're gonna see. Like we're pushing through. I'm trying to stay positive, but that is why I haven't really been showing many of my Loungefly bags, or the majority of them have been at my husband's house, and I can't film there because it's too loud. Otherwise I would just film the videos there. That way I don't even have to bring them over here. It's really loud. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you soon with another one. Bye.